The first step to installing the Stoock is choosing the right location. With the help of your phone, check the network reception. Once you've found a spot with good reception, use the auger to make a hole in the soil with the same depth that is indicated by the symbol in the Stoock. Remove the auger and transfer the soil into a container. Now, mix the soil with water until you get a relatively liquid consistency. Then, put the mix into the hole. Afterwards, insert the Stoock in the hole. The mix should overflow. In order for the sensor to get enough energy, you must place it in the proper solar orientation. If you're in the northern hemisphere, point the solar panel south. If you're in the southern hemisphere, point the panel north. Make sure that the symbol is aligned with the soil. Then, take the sealant and place it around the Stoock. Pour 5 to 10 liters of water into the hole to make sure the soil around the sensor adheres to it. Press the Stoock's power button until both LEDs blink. You'll then hear 2 beeps. Wait until the green light blinks. Finally, open Agroop Cooperation to connect the Stoock to your account. Log in, then go to Seasons. Pick the correct one and select a subplot. In the map, select the spot where you installed your sensor and characterize it. The installation is complete. Now, you can start your journey towards greater efficiency and productivity.